Hi everyone, assalamualaikum. So yes, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng vanilla cheesecake muffins or cupcake. So yes, ito nga pala, meron tayong all-purpose flour or cake flour, 3 eggs, condensed milk. Kung maglalagay kayo ng condensed milk, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng sugar. And 3 tablespoon oil or butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. So yun lang. At maglalagay tayo ng cheddar cheese, grated cheddar cheese. Pwede rin na chop natin, finely chop. At yun, imimix lang natin. So pwede naman na gawin natin tong guys, yung manual na lang, yung kahit wala tayong mixer, pwede natin itong gawin. I-whisk lang natin muna yung egg saka butter at yung ating condensed milk. So yes, maglalagay lang ako dito sa topping ng counting shredded cheddar cheese. Ganun lang, napakadali nitong gawin. So yan, itataktak lang natin para siguradong walang bubbles yung ating cupcake. So yes, ito na nga, luto na. At ibibik lang natin to sa preheated oven ng 370 degrees Fahrenheit sa loob ng 20 minutes. So yan, enjoy! Bye-bye!